my name is Gonzalo Freitas and I'm going to show you how to use filters in Infraspeak. So first you need to access, let's say the asset menu, and here on the upper left corner you can see this icon. You can click on it and you will see the filtering options you have. You can filter by building, or you can filter also by type of equipment. Remember that once you don't need the filters anymore, you need to delete your filtering, and that's it. Also, if you go to your top right corner here, you'll see that you can choose the information for the columns you see in the asset table. So if you click on them, you can choose the information enabled by the platform. If you go to another menu and you click in the filtering button, you can see that now the filtering options are a bit different, but it's also easy. You just need to apply the filters after you have selected the information you want, and keep in mind to erase the filters once you have used them. Thank you very much and have a great day.